Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango shake. Hi, I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian, and you know, mangoes are one of my favorite fruits, which is probably one of the reasons that I like Herbalife Herbal Aloe, the mango flavor. And the last time I had it, I thought, I bet this would be really good in my shake. So let's go ahead and add some to our shake. I'm going to just start with my 8 ounces of low-fat milk. That's 250 milliliters. And then I'm going to use my Formula 1. I'm using the vanilla flavor. I've already shaken mine. Remember to always shake your canister before you measure. And I'm going to add 2 scoops of my Formula 1 to the blender. And then I'm going to use the concentrate, and I'm going to just go ahead and add the 3 capfuls of mango flavored, whoops, a little extra, won't hurt, to my shake. Now, if you wanted, you could just stop right there, but I thought, why not go over the top? So I'm going to add a handful of some frozen mango chunks just to make this even more mango flavor. Okay, and let's blend it up. Okay. I also love the color of this one. And of course the mango being frozen makes it nice and thick. And I have to tell you, I'm always making shakes at home in the kitchen and playing around with different combinations. This is really one of my favorites. Mango, it's yummy, yummy. Try this one at home.